What is good, guys? Tony's Classics here. So today we got an adventure on our hands. We are going to be driving to Barrie, Ontario to meet a special someone. Stay tuned and try and guess who. So before we make the 200-kilometer drive, we are going to fill up some gas. We're just leaving the bank now. Gotta go pick up the 407. The 407 pass and we're ready to go. We are about 30 minutes into the drive, and we're being followed by OPP undercover. Holy fuck! Me and this guy just got followed by OPP for a good 5 kilometers. Oh, the OPP did a full lap around my car and then pulled away. Fuck, I had to put my window down. That was scary. Bro, another one! What the fuck? That's another one! Yo, fuck the 400 north. There's bear cops on this road. No wonder he pulled away. His buddy was waiting up ahead to see if he would speed off. Damn. Alright guys, we just got off the highway. We are 8 minutes away from the destination, but we're gonna have to stop somewhere for a little bit because buddy's busy for a bit. So hopefully he'll be back soon and we can get there. I didn't think I'd get here in this great of a time. Alright guys, we are 10 minutes away from our destination, maybe less. We're just gonna get a coffee and chill with the Benz for a little bit. Yeah, stay tuned when we start headed towards the buddies. A little nervous driving it this far, but doesn't seem too bad. Seems fine. So this company is our newest sponsor for Rise and Mob. Oh, it's hot. They're our new sponsor. I don't want to say the name yet. I'm not sure if I've already said it. I can't really recall. But very hyped, very grateful. Whole crew is gonna be looking icy and nice and fucking ready to go. I'm excited. The Benz is gonna be the first one to go in person, get it custom made and try it out. So stay tuned. We're gonna kill some time in the dollar store and look for the Hot Wheels. I don't even want to buy any Hot Wheels, but if I see a cool one, I'm gonna buy it. I don't know this layout of this Dollarama, so who knows if they even have Hot Wheels. Oh. They have been rated already. We got some gold Batman. We have whatever this thing is. Doesn't look like any good ones, boys. Alright, well that's one way to kill 10 minutes. No Hot Wheels. Got some cool stuff in here, but we wanted Hot Wheels. Barry Dollarama. Terrible for Hot Wheels. That didn't sound good, but it was just plastic. We are finally almost at our destination. The camera is getting low power, so I'm just going to clip some important parts and mostly when I get there and speak to the gentleman. Buddy, the whip should not be out. That guy has fucking snowmobiles on his driveway. Bro, look how much snow is still on the ground. Look at this guy. It's like 60 centimeters worth of ice built up. Everybody has snow in their fucking thing. There is no snow down south. This is crazy. All right, guys, we have arrived. Secret garage, secret space, custom made. That's a pretty cool car. Let's check it out. You drive this often?
I bought it like not too long ago. I had 350 Z before.
Oh, I see. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Yeah, I think the chrome or like the silver one would look best. Kind of like shines a little bit more, like you can see it.
Yeah, definitely probably.
Because if you have the black, it might just blend in with the black lip with the black, and you won't really see it.
You have to go.
Yeah, but like I don't know, like I want to dip everything gold. I just can't find someone right now.
Yeah, but then you can just take these apart. The shaft comes out, and you can paint it.
Exactly. Perfect. All right, man. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. All right, guys. We are done with the day. Finally get to drive home. Got the Marlboro Benz out here. The homie hooked it up. I don't even want to tell you guys, but you probably know. Full kit for this bad boy. And stay tuned. All right, guys. We have made it home safe. The Benz was handled beautifully. 200 kilometers, 100 there, 100 back. Oh, luckily no traffic. It was smooth sailing the entire way. The roads were nice, and stay tuned for the updates. Cheers. All right guys, so instead of making separate videos, I thought we'd just keep it all in one, pick up, design, everything. So I didn't get the chance to film me actually going out to Toronto and pick up the items, but we got them. Check this out. I'm gonna put the camera down so I don't drag it. All right, this is phenomenal. Crazy. So these are the rear 91 BMW, even though it's a Benz. So this is matte finish, and then on the actual side is gloss. So these are the rear spats. Let me give you an example. So this would go, it actually kind of looks cool on the truck. So that would go there. We got the front lip, same flexible material. We are no longer going to be breaking bumpers this season. We got the custom side skirts cut out. Sorry guys, it's cold outside. It's freezing. But yeah, that's what we got. Take a little picture of that. All right, let's go put these up next to the Benz. All right, so here we have the kit laid out beautifully right in front of the Benz. I'm just gonna put it up next to it just so you guys have an understanding. So we'll start off. So that's the rear, that's the front. So this is the right way for this one. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous fit. And then these would go on the back. So it would be this one. So this would go right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Front bumper. Let me see if I can actually put it on something so I can see what it looks like. 1 second. My car should be pretty low, so let's see if we can just put them on this. Hi. Sorry about that, as you can see. It fits perfect. Homie even notched it out for me because I have like the pads down there, so when I jack the car up, it won't touch the lift. Let me just turn it around so you guys can see what I'm talking about. See how it has it cut out there? Both sides, both sides. Let me just fake put this one on the wrong way. Just want you guys to get an idea of what it's gonna look like this season. Back a little bit. Cheers! All right. Damn. Okay, let me get the camera for you guys and show you. Damn. With the side skirts. OEM plus. It like blends in so nicely. Literally straight OEM. Jeez. Okay, let's test fit the front bumper next. Obviously, it's not gonna be hanging down like that. Let me just show you guys. All right. So it's gonna come flush. It's gonna sit all the way back. This will kind of come up to there. As you can see, very OEM plus. Just gives it that extra look it's been waiting for. And it'll be complete. I might switch this over to chrome when I get the chance. It looks kind of two-tone. Gotta make sure it's all one consistent color. All right, guys, there you have it. Huge shout out to Ventus Auto Works, our newest club sponsor. Forever grateful. Thank you so much. Motorama is coming up, so the homie hooked it up. He helped me get my sides, my rear, and my front lip in 7 days turnaround time. He doesn't do that for everyone, but special requests, special vehicles, exceptions will be made. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's everything from pickup to delivered to, showing you the actual product. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for future shows and join the mob. Cheers.